Do you feel a leak when you cough, sneeze, or laugh? You are not alone. Let's look at our bladder a little like a water balloon that has a net under it. This net is what we call the muscles or the pelvic floor. That's how we can look at it. If these muscles become tight or weak, a little pressure may make them to leak. Many people feel ashamed talking about this, but it is more common than we think. So we can try these two things to relieve that a little bit. You stand tall and you breathe in through your nose and out through softly pressed lips like this. And when you sit tall with your ribs directly over your pelvic.